If you're a car enthusiast, get ready to rev up your excitement. We're diving into the coolest car gadgets that you'll definitely want to add to your ride. Buckle up and let's hit the road to tech greatness. The RACEBOX meter box is the ultimate drag meter and lap timer designed to maximize your vehicle's performance. Utilizing advanced GPS technology, it delivers precise measurements of acceleration, lap times, and more, rivaling professional timing equipment. The device is paired with a dedicated mobile app, making performance tracking straightforward and convenient. Ideal for both track racing and performance testing, the RACEBOX offers comprehensive insights and data in a sleek, user-friendly package. The cutting-edge racing tool combines accuracy, convenience, and detailed performance analysis. It integrates advanced technology to provide precise data and insights, enhancing your overall racing strategy and experience. The BAYU Auto and Outdoor Smart Car Kit revolutionizes car maintenance with its multifunctional design. This modular device includes a car vacuum, washer, power bank, and inflator, offering seamless transitions between car cleaning and outdoor adventures. It combines precision and durability to efficiently handle various tasks, from car upkeep to outdoor use. The smart design ensures effortless operation and reliable performance, enhancing your travel experience and making it a must-have tool for both maintenance and adventure. With its versatile functionality, this kit is a new era of car tools, promising efficiency and convenience for any journey. The Shy Velvet Car Tent provides superior protection for your vehicle against the elements. Its silver-coated fabric shields your car from the sun, snow, rain, and bird droppings, ensuring comprehensive protection. The remote-controlled automatic folding design offers convenience and ease of use, while the durable construction withstands varying weather conditions. With options for wireless remote control or manual operation, the tent adapts to your needs. Keep your car comfortable and safeguarded throughout the year with this practical and elegant solution. The DROPRACKS roof rack system is designed to elevate your adventures by offering an innovative and convenient solution for transporting gear. Its robust construction, developed for challenging climates, allows easy loading of items like canoes and bikes. DROPRACKS eliminates the hassle of traditional roof racks, bringing your gear within easy reach. The sleek and compact design ensures a modern, efficient solution for your transport needs. Experience a new level of convenience and efficiency in loading and unloading with DROPRACKS, making your outdoor activities more enjoyable and hassle-free. The RUBOT car vacuum cleaner is a powerful, cordless solution for efficient car detailing. With 6,000 pascals of suction power and weighing just 1.15 pounds, it ensures thorough cleaning with ease. The quick-charge battery provides up to 25 minutes of operation, while multiple attachments allow for comprehensive cleaning of all areas. The clear dust cup and LED indicators make maintenance simple, and the ergonomic design enhances comfort. Ideal for keeping your car interior spotless, this rechargeable vacuum is a practical and thoughtful gift for anyone who values a clean vehicle. The HAMMAKA trailer hitch stand offers a flexible and robust solution for relaxing on the go. Designed to fit various hammocks and hammock chairs, it ensures you can unwind wherever your vehicle takes you. The stand's strength and portability make it ideal for road trips and camping adventures, accommodating both traditional camping hammocks and chair styles. Its innovative design allows for easy setup and stability, making it a convenient addition to your outdoor gear. Enjoy the freedom of hanging your hammock with this versatile and durable hitch stand, enhancing your travel comfort. The ESAMCORE MAGSAFE car mount offers a sleek, minimalist design that blends effortlessly with your car's interior. It features a bendable aluminum arm for flexible positioning and 20 strong magnets to securely hold your iPhone 12 and newer models, ensuring stability even on rough roads. The mount uses a hook and loop fastener and 3M adhesive for a stable attachment and easy removal. Ideal for Tesla and other vehicles, it supports hands-free navigation and can be placed on various dashboard surfaces, making it a versatile and reliable accessory for any driver. The FBK portable tire inflator is a versatile air compressor designed for quick and reliable tire inflation. With a 12-volt power source, it features a digital LED screen to preset and monitor tire pressure, automatically shutting off when the desired pressure is reached. The inflator includes a bright LED light with flashing and SOS modes for emergency use, and an 11.8-foot cord for easy access to all tires. It comes with 6 additional nozzles, making it suitable for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and sports equipment. Its compact design and handle enhance portability and convenience. The HOTOR trash can is a practical solution for keeping your car interior clean. It features adjustable straps for easy attachment to headrests and a collapsible design for versatile storage and trash disposal. Made from durable, leak-proof materials, it resists spills and stains, ensuring long-lasting use. The easy-to-clean surface adds to its convenience, making maintenance a breeze. The trash can also double as a storage bag, adding multifunctionality to any vehicle. Compatible with various car types, it's an essential tool for maintaining an organized and tidy car environment. The SINSEN car safety hammer is an essential emergency tool designed for quick vehicle escape. It features a double-headed carbon steel hammer for breaking windows and a razor-sharp seatbelt cutter for fast action. The bright orange color ensures visibility during emergencies, while the anti-slip handle offers secure control. This multi-pack includes 2 hammers, allowing placement in different areas of your vehicle, making it a valuable safety addition for families. The tool comes with a protective bracket, ensuring it's always within reach. It also offers 90-day returns and lifetime customer support, providing peace of mind and reliability. The EUHOMY 12-volt car refrigerator is ideal for keeping beverages and snacks cool during travel. It features dual storage compartments to keep items fresh and minimize odors, accommodating up to 36 cans or 12 bottles of wine. The fridge uses efficient 3D refrigeration technology and offers both Eco and Max modes for energy saving. It includes battery protection functions for safe use in vehicles and homes, while Bluetooth control allows convenient temperature adjustments. Its quiet operation and spacious design make it a perfect choice for our Versys, trucks, and boats. The FRUBLE Camper Kit transforms your Tesla Model Y into a versatile camper. This 31-piece kit includes a camp kitchen, bed platform, and ample storage, enhancing your travel experience without compromising passenger space. Crafted with precision in British Columbia, it allows for a flat sleeping surface and convenient storage solutions. Designed specifically for the Model Y, it integrates seamlessly with the vehicle's interior. Perfect for road trips, the kit offers practical and comfortable camping solutions, turning your Tesla into an efficient and enjoyable travel companion. The CARGENTA OBD connects your car to your phone, offering comprehensive vehicle management. This smart device provides real-time tracking, health diagnostics, and security features. With a high-precision GPS module, it alerts you if the car is started, moved, or towed. The OBD also allows for live data transmission, including engine status, speed, and fuel levels. You can receive notifications for car problems and track maintenance, while the app provides fault code explanations and potential solutions. The built-in battery continues to send coordinates if disconnected, enhancing security. The device includes free internet and over-the-air updates, ensuring ongoing enhancements and features. That's a wrap on the coolest car gadgets you'll want in your ride. Which one caught your eye? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more amazing tech tips.